Okay, my name's Phil Hill. I'm a registered nurse from Gwent, and I'm a life support instructor in the community and in the hospital, and I'm passionate that defibrillators are available by law in public places, so victims of sudden cardiac arrest where their heart has stopped have immediate 2, 3, 4 minute access to defibs before the arrival of an ambulance, not waiting for an ambulance.
Hi, I'm June Thomas and I am Jack Thomas's mum. My son Jack passed away on the 12th of February 2012. Since Jack's death, I set up a charity called Jack's Appeal to put defibs in comprehensive schools, not knowing that Phil already had a petition going to put the defibs in public buildings. So I'm here today to support Phil on getting the laws changed that defibs have to be placed in public buildings.
It's quite nerve-wracking waiting to go in, but Kaylee has been absolutely excellent in the build-up, reassuring us, helping us gather the evidence, or rather put our evidence forward to the committee, and has kept myself in touch for the last 12 months. And I think when we arrived, we were treated, like guests, and they were made us really relaxed. So it's a really good experience, actually.
Yeah, and myself, I was very nervous about sitting there today. Obviously, it's very emotional for me. I was worried I was going to keep things together, but I did. And everybody just made you feel relaxed. I wasn't as nervous as I thought I was going to be, and it was a great experience.